There, now it's working. So I'll zoom in. Right over here in our backyard. As far over as I can go with the sun.
See, can you see?
The birch.
See where
the
we're
birch.
we're
I got the birch that's broken off.
Yeah. Well, we're built. Go up. We're built right into the rock, right into the hill, like. And then if you go down.
Did you tell her that our neighbors are living in caves?
No.
Oh, okay. Wait a minute. This is on. See how I have it? Look, can't you see it? Look.
I can't see. It's too.
Look
it's
right
too
through there.
in.
I'm still zooming in.
Well, zoom
I'm
out.
zoomed in.
That's boring. You're zoomed.
I am too zoomed.
Zoom it up.
But just to give you the idea, though,
Oh, how
high
yeah,
up we
we're up pretty high.
Oh, there's a cloud.
Ooh, a tree behind us.
And now we'll come back down. I'll come back out there. Yeah. How's that?
No.
I'm down?
Yeah. See all the rock out here. It's how high up we are.
Oh, see, when you get out of the sun, then you can see all the rocks.
Zone de l'arbre.
Yeah. Now you can see all the rocks.
Mm.
I see what you mean.
See?
Yeah. I can come back further too, you know.
We're right on top of it.
Yeah.
That's gorgeous right there.
Isn't it?
Yeah, but there's almost a whole...
Where the cliff is?
It's cut out right there. There's another cliff on the other side of this, yes.
Right there, you mean?
Oh, we're in the cliffs.
Yeah, we're right in that cliff. It goes along the ledge.
Yeah.
In back of us.
It's gorgeous. So beautiful. Amazingly beautiful. It's all blueberry bushes in the bottom.
Nice.
They're all, low bush blueberries. Look at the lichen on these branches of this pine tree.
You liking that?
Oh, I just noticed that big tree that's laying down there. Look, it's up by the roots.
Where?
It's on that ledge right there. Well, the roots are up because it's all rock. It's probably not deep enough to hold the weight of that tree. But that should come down.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
What else do you want me to video?
That's just laying there. Oh.
Blueberry bushes down below.
Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't it gorgeous? I wonder if Alan has looked inside the roots of that tree.
A lot of leaves.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's not mention any names, please.
Yes, there's no... Alice's Restaurant. Cool.
This one's already lost all the needles.
Oh, no kidding.
Needles and pins.
No, that one's dead. Yeah. It's just a beautiful spot. Oh, this is the second floor.
All right, let's shut this off. We're over 3 minutes now.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye from the birdhouse.
Okay, bye-bye.
From the birdhouse? No, the treehouse.
Birdhouse. Nut house.
Birdhouse on the cliff. Treehouse in the trees.
Nut house on